In this video, let's talk about how to learn English by watching YouTube. If you are here, it's likely that you are watching this on YouTube. You're also more than likely interested in learning English. There are many ways that you can use YouTube to improve your English skills. Today, let's talk about why YouTube is a great way for you to learn English, how you can use it to improve your English, and some effective learning strategies. Are you ready to find out how you can use YouTube to help you improve your English skills? If so, then let's get into it. There are so many videos and different creators on YouTube that there is definitely something for everyone. You have the chance to find out about almost anything you can think of. Whenever I have a problem with anything, with the internet, a printer, YouTube is one of the places that I go to search for a solution. YouTube is also free, don't have to worry about expensive materials or signing up for classes. If you have access to the internet and the time, then you can learn English. Outside of just English language channels, there's also so many different channels that you can listen to as well. Do you like cooking or sports? Then there's definitely something that you can find on YouTube. This will also give you different exposure to accents, vocabulary, and different cultural nuances as well. Each English speaker has differences based on their location and cultural backgrounds. YouTube is one of the biggest search engines in the world, so why not take advantage of it? It's also a fun way to learn compared to a lot of other ways of studying. So it makes it easier to stay interested and enjoy what you're doing. Think of it like having access to multiple teachers with different ideas, background, and various ways of teaching. Once you find something that is interesting for you, the way that you look at English can make a change for the better. First, you should follow your interests. What do you like to do in your everyday life when you're not studying? If you are interested in sports or movie talk, how about finding some channels that deal with these topics? Whatever you're interested in will keep you focused on learning because you really want to know and understand what's happening. The less that it feels like studying, the better it's going to be for you to want to continue improving and learning English. Next, watch according to your level. You don't want to go too high or low when you're choosing content. If you start with something that's too hard when you're not able to follow along, it may want to make you give up on your English language journey. If you never get an easy win, it becomes harder and harder for you to keep that same motivation when it comes to studying. But make sure it isn't too easy because I think that the challenge of learning English is really going to be more satisfying when you're able to figure out that next step in your English language. When I play basketball, I want to play people that are better than me because I know I'm going to have to really push myself to improve if I want to get a win. You should be thinking the same way when it comes to you learning English. Lastly, you can start off using subtitles, just don't do it in your native language. You don't want to take away from listening by being able to read and understanding everything in your native language. But by using subtitles in English, it can be a big help for you. You can see some of the words that you might not be able to catch. You can take notes on new vocabulary or phrases. You can also match the sounds and pronunciation with the actual words that you see on the screen to reinforce what you're listening to. All of this is just working to help you build up your bank of English words and phrases that you're going to be able to use in an actual conversation. Next, let's talk about some effective ways that you can study. One of them is to try active listening. You don't want to click on a video and just have it wash over you. Pause to take notes. Write down vocabulary or phrases that you don't know. Repeat sections that you aren't able to catch on that first listen. Listen multiple times with and without the transcript. I have a video that's just about active listening, so I'll share it at the end of this video if you're interested. Shadowing is also a great way for you to learn English. You can follow a video for pronunciation practice. Find a voice that you like and you can repeat it line for line, or if you're a little more advanced, how about see if you can go through a chunk of listening. Shadowing is a great way for you to find your voice and for you to improve your pronunciation as well as your listening. So, find a voice that you like. Go through their videos, just listen, and then repeat. Practice intonation, pitch, and really pay attention to how that speaker moves their mouth when speaking. You can also engage with the content by leaving a simple comment on videos in your own voice. You may get some replies or not. This will be a great way for you to practice your writing and to practice expressing your opinion in a different language. Maybe you will even make some new friends. You can prepare for real conversations in the future by taking this step to improve your communicating. How about you break down your content into groups? You can have a group, for example, just for education channels. This group will probably have small, bite-sized lessons on different topics. They will be made specifically for learning English. My channel would be an example of an education channels, but you can also find entertainment channels. These channels are going to be channels that are made for native speakers on a variety of different topics. Here, you can learn about different things that you are interested in. Just everything is going to be in English. It will be a great way for you to learn real English by listening to a native speaker talk about topics that you like and already have an interest in. This way you can pick up real phrases, nuances, and have a great chance to watch real people speak and see how they use English. So think about things that you like that has nothing to do with English and find people that are speaking on those topics in English. You get the best of both worlds, interesting videos about things that you like, while at the same time you'll be able to pick up and learn real English. You will also be able to pick up topic-related words and phrases. Every interest or topic has certain words and phrases that are used by a majority of people in those interests. The more you watch, you will start to notice words, phrases, and patterns that come up again and again. Does this give you a better idea of how you want to use YouTube to learn English? It really is a fun, free way for you to learn English on your own. Let me know in the comments how you have used YouTube to learn English in the past. And if you got any good benefit out of this video, how about share it with someone else that you think it will help? And then, if you're interested in learning active listening, how about check out this video that's popping up on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you.